You know, sometimes you end up with way too much stuff just sitting on the table. I'm I'm in the process of trying to, of course, we're getting my studio that's happening in the garage slowly set up right now. So that is where all my head is right now. Anyways, the folks over at Insta360 sent me a bunch of stuff. As you saw, probably in the previous one, we did just get the X4 Air, which I'm taking on my little holiday. But what else I'm taking on my holiday is this. I'm gonna put this, I'm putting it all. You can't see yet. Don't look. Don't look yet. Don't look yet. I am doing it in this order. So, you guys, where am I? Here? Yeah. So, first off, as you can see, is that camera okay? It's weirdly placed. Anyways, there we go. This is the Ace Pro 2, which I have, right? I have an Ace Pro 2. It's somewhere over here. Ace Pro, right? There you go. Okay, and Ace Pro 2, but in white. Yes, sir. I like that because I'm super excited to just have that on my bike. But accessory-wise, they now have this, the Explorer Grip Pro. And I was like, oh, I'm going again on holidays. This would be fantastic. So thank you, Insta360, for sending me this because we're going to try this on my trip. And we're also then going to come back and review it and let you know what we thought. Today is not a review. I'm going to try to set this all up and let you know, kind of just first look, I guess. First look, just so you know. But you're like, that's cool and all. But is it all the awesomeness? Well, no, not all the awesomeness. Well, pocket printer. Who even thought of this? You know, sometimes I'm pretty sure Insta360 is listening to people and people are like, maybe you should do this. And someone's like, you're actually going to send that in for them to make that? And you're like, yeah, why not? It sounds like a cool idea. And Insta360 is like, yeah, let's do it. Let's give her. So we're going to take a look at this and then we're going to hook it all up so we can see if it actually functions. And then, of course, we have some photo paper because I'm sure some photo paper comes in the box, but we've got some more. So anyways, that's all going down there. So first off, let's just unbox the Ace Pro 2. So if you haven't seen an Ace Pro 2, this is it, but in white. Did I tell you my motorcycle is white? Yeah, I had a white motorcycle. Then it burnt. So I replaced it with another white motorcycle because I love me a white motorcycle. And then I said, Insta360, hey, I noticed you have white cameras. So I would love me a white camera. Here you go. US exclusive. I don't know what that means. US exclusive. Because I'm in the Canada. So weirdly enough, I don't quite know. Anyways, in the box, this says we get an Ace Pro 2, a battery, standard mount, mic cap, USB-C cable, and a quick start guide. That's what we get. We're just gonna pop this open here. If you want to know specs, go to their site. That's what I'm gonna tell you. Look at that. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. You know what I wish? And I know Insta360, you're going to tell me it doesn't do that, but this is what I wish. See how this got that nice red outline in there with it? Oh, that's nice. If they just had some other red accents on it. Oh, the red with the white is like, I almost don't want to take all the stickers off. I do get the red inside, which I appreciate. I do. And I appreciate all these little pull tab things. I do. But remove this sticker before powering on the camera. Avoid direct skin contact with the heat dissipation area after prolonged camera use. Okay. Ah, that part still black. Okay, it must be because it's a different kind of metal. Would be my guess. What else do you get in here? We get our battery. Yes. So battery. Excellent. Don't think there's a battery in here. We'll just find out. Oh, so nice. It's so nice. The white is just, don't worry, I didn't break it. It's fine. This just clicks on here. So don't worry about it. See how this, just so you guys see this. See how the door opens up like this? There's a little thing there. That goes in there. Yeah, see? And then it closes, so you're good. Okay, you just got to make sure that opens like that, okay? And then this, of course, goes in. I'm going to say it. That white is stupid sexy. More stuff you get in here. So my guess is you get a little, cable. Very cool. Some silica gel. Never eat that. You get, oh, they did. This is actually in white. Isn't that nice? I didn't know they do that in white. Very cool. And of course, you get your little mic cover. Yes. So if you need it to be waterproof, then you take this one off and put this one on. If you don't want waterproof, but you want that mic to be better, right? So it's wind protected, then you have that one. So you get some options. And then this, of course, just, click. Come on. It's all kinds of sexy. Anyways, that's super awesome. I'm putting you over there. That's where you're going. This is all going over there. We're going to kick you out. Here's my thoughts. We're going to have to put this together in a certain order. So, but number one, we would have this. Yes? Put that right there. There you go. Explorer Grip Pro. Now, if you had the black one, of course, it'll probably look a little cooler. I didn't realize it has a built-in 2010 milliamp battery inside it. So this, good size battery, but when connected to this, more battery. I had no idea. I didn't have any idea that that was the case. It's probably going to be a longer video than it needs to be, but figure out how to use the fast forward button if you need to. So they had a different little phone grip before, but not as cool, I think, as this one. So there's your grip. That's got some substance to it. I'll give you that. Definitely has some substance to it. And then we have this here, which is, oh, that's cool. They give you a little, it's like a little camera strap, right? What I like about it, they use this little ball thing, which is awesome because if you just, you have this on and you don't want this attached anymore, you can, this will be on your camera and you just push this down and the ball comes out. And then once it's in, it locks back into place and it just can't fall. That's really good. You also have, I don't know what this is. It's a little, it looks like a little button. I don't know if it's a replacement button. Is there a couple of replacement? Yeah, it's just like little replacement. I don't know if they're replacement buttons or what they are. Anyway, so let's just move this here for a second. Okay, we got that. I'm not going to use that. I'm not a fan of straps. You want to know why I'm not a fan of straps? Because I ended up putting them on and then I end up dropping them. I've done it before where I've actually caught them on my chair and I move my chair and I throw my camera on the ground. This is pretty big. Anyways, this is it. Yes, you still get that nice little, once it's in, you still get this. Oh, look, it's got battery power in it already. So what this needs to do, my guess is, see this? This pops up. This would have to come off. Yes? Yeah, is my guess. Because see how this opens? Right, and that's gonna slide, my guess, in here somehow. It says pull to open. Yeah, so there we go. But this is great, right? So that goes there. But there's no way this door stays on, right? So my guess is we have to take this door off. Yeah, so don't lose that. Don't lose that piece. This, of course, is your little USB connector, right? Which means that is gonna plug in. I think we're golden now. There we go, and that's in. See, everything turns on. What kind of weird, man? This is actually charging, is what it's doing. What kind? Look, feel that. You have no idea. I've watched people talking about this and be like, yeah, whatever. Okay, it's neat. No, it literally feels like a nice big camera. Like, let's say you had, I don't know, like an APS-C style camera. Let's say, or even, let's say I have a Sony A7C. It kind of feels like that. Or honestly, it probably feels, maybe not as big as an A7C. It probably feels closer to my Sony ZV-1 or my E10. It feels like that. That's kind of what it feels like. Anyways, that's cool. And then if I turn, and now I'm just actually, I got to turn this on because is that all you need to do? So if I go to my Insta360 app, okay, don't lose this. Don't lose that. That's got to go somewhere safe. Yes. We're going to go into the camera. We're going to turn this on. English. Yes. Please download. Don't worry. I got it downloaded already. Ace Pro 2, because we're going to have to register. We may need to do a software update. There's always a possibility. Confirm. Join. New firmware. Yeah, what is this going to do? Improve image quality, optimize the different features, enhanced indoor portraits, improved low light effect. All good. All right, so we're going to let that download for a minute. So while that's downloading, update it. Again, don't lose this. Don't lose this. Find a spot for it. Let's do the pocket. We'll put this over. Let's do the pocket printer. Can the pocket printer? Yes, it can. It can be connected when you have this whole thing there. I wonder if it connects via Bluetooth. I thought it was like a direct connect, But now I'm unsure. You know how excited I am to try this? I don't know why I'm excited. I don't print a lot, but I think nowadays you should, especially like I said, you have those relatives that are just like they come to visit over the holidays, for instance, and you're thinking, oh, would have been nice to take some pictures and send them to them. And then you can't, but now you can. While that's still updating, we have this. Okay, it's got some size to it too. Okay, and we get this. So what do we get in here? We get, oh, you get a little case for your printer, Insta360. You get, this is your charging cable. Oh, see, you do get, these are, I don't know if these are the paper. It looks like it's paper and the actual, what you call it? Like I don't know how, it's not ink, but whatever it is, right? Instructions. This must be the battery, right? Because it must have its own battery. Ouch. No, this is the connector. This is what it connects to. Okay, I'm with you so far. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, so first up, that is that. Oh, we haven't seen the printer. We haven't seen the printer. That's beefy for sure. Insta360 pocket printer, USB, and it must be. See, that's how it. See, that's this. This must go. Yeah. So this must just go on like this, right? Click, click, click. But we won't connect it yet. Okay. First off, that's been connected successfully. English, yes, please. Bleed download. Yeah. Okay. I wish this showed up as white on here, but it doesn't. Just to make sure, of course, that you have the same camera. Yes. Activate. Done. So we have this. This has been activated. Yes. I don't need the app anymore. This is on. Let's get started. See, it actually shows on here your internal battery and it shows your battery grip, which is super cool too. App has been disconnected. Yes, yes, sir, because I've disconnected it. So let's see here. I'm curious. So if I had this in photo mode, yes. So I'm in photo mode. This, oh yeah, see, look, it brings up, I can go through all my Leica-y stuff, natural, vivid. It automatically just functions, but it's also 12 megapixel. I'm going to go to 50, pure shot, timer. Nope. Good. Excellent. 50 megapixels. And then I have a button here. I can be like, oh, no, I got a button operation. Okay. Go. Shutter button. Yep. Next. Power button. I'm with you. Release switch. Good. Done. Now, what I would like to do, they should have a tutorial for the case, is what they should. But it's a nice feeling grip. Anyways, let's pretend to take a picture. Ready? And no SD card. Of course. It's that date. It is that date. I'm going to grab an SD card. So this is the only part that's a little tricky. Of course, when you're in your camera, you have to get to it. And when you don't have fingernails, because it's in there, there it is. Okay. Anyways, I got to put an SD card in there because that's important. We learn as we go, right? This should go in first. Click. Yes. Close. Click. Excellent. Yes. Back and running. Perfect. Yes, I got 4,670 something. Oh, it does. Explorer grip connected. Learn more. Shutter button. Short press, start, stop recording. Wake up the grip. Long press, turn on the camera and start. All right. Next page. Zoom lever. So there's a zoom lever. All right. Zoom direction, anti-clockwise to zoom out, clockwise to zoom in. Yep. Dial, adjust shooting parameters, switch shooting modes. Okay. And that seems to be it. We have, you can actually go in and customize all this kind of stuff too. So that's also very cool. So you can change your Explorer settings if you want. Anyways, let's take a picture, right? It's just going to be so much more better, right? When you can just be like, you know what? Let's just take a picture of this because you can just hold it so much nicer. Yes. There's my phone, right? And boom, Instagram ready. Oh yes. Ready for the Instagram. Okay. That's cool. And again, you do have this zoom. Yes. So you can look at that all up to your 2 times. So which means you can kind of get in between if you need to. Okay, I'm down. That's cool. That's super cool. All right, so we got that now. I'm going to pause you guys because I do have to, I think, figure out how this printer attaches. But in theory, right, this is front, this is rear, I'm guessing. This should just go on one of these ways. That way, I guess. You can hear it literally click, like something goes click, click. Oh, that's probably me hitting the shutter button. Never mind. All right, I'm going to connect this. You don't need to see me do this part, or we're going to see what this is like. Look at this. Look at this. What is happening? Oh, who would have thought? All right, I'll be back. Hold on. Okay, I've decided to show you guys. It looks actually fairly easy. you just open the door. I think this just goes in one way. It says, make sure you push it in till it kind of pops, right? There's a little push here. So you just kind of, there, it kind of clicks and you close. I think that's it. I think that's all. I think that's, there's no more to it. Then, of course, close it, right? So you want the USB out the back and you have it slides out this way, just like one of those old school cameras did back in the day. We're going to make sure this is on. And is it just that easy? And then we're going to hold this. Ready? 1, 2. Is there like a light or something? Oh, yeah. It's got a blue flashy light right there. Yes? Okay. When we're in here, we're going to look for Bluetooth, right? There's Bluetooth right there. Bluetooth. Pocket printer. Searching. There it is. Found it. Pocket printer. Pocket printer is connected. We'll print photos right after shooting. So you can, of course, go in here. You can leave a Leica watermark if you want. You can be frameless or Polaroid. So we're going to go frameless. Yes. So here's my question. Can this still pop up? So yes, it can. All right. So you're shooting, let's say you're shooting yourself. Yes. We're going to try this. Yes. We're going to zoom. Can we zoom in a little bit? You can do set print effects. There's a little printer on there too. If you want, you can click on that, right? It just takes you right back there. That's cool. So again, we're going to do my zoom in a little bit. Okay, good. Yes. You can see me in my monitors, right? I look like a grandpa. Ready? Okay, and here we go. Print preview. Look, it shows up. Print preview. Print. Ready? Real time. Here we go. It's weird. It's some kind of weird voodoo magic. I'm gonna take so many pictures. My fridge is gonna be filled with this stuff. Okay, maybe not real time, but you guys will get an idea. I'm gonna fast forward to when it pops out. But supposedly it does go out back and forth like 3 times as it does the different colors. See, color number 1. I kind of look goofy. I'm gonna say it. I look goofy, but it's a 50 megapixel image that's this big, so clarity should be fantastic. You know what I'm saying? Oh, that looks excellent. That's really good. Like, it's really good. Again, when you look online and you see some of the reviews, you're like, I don't know. No, you should know. It's fantastic. So it goes through 4 times. Come on now. Again, I probably look goofy, but come on. And it does have kind of that, old Polaroid type look. Anyways, I think this whole thing here is fantastic. The printer, I don't think it necessarily for everybody. I don't. It's, you got to be down with this, right? But it's super cool at the same time. Super cool. I do think this, though, this grip is awesome. Like, it's so awesome. The grip is like cat's ass for sure. I don't know what that saying means. Cat's meow? I don't know. Maybe not a cat's ass. I don't even know. It doesn't matter. Anyways, I'll put links to all this stuff down below. And there will be kind of a further review where we kind of go through all this stuff, because I do think, yes, sir, they are pushing the boundaries with this little camera. Without question. Like, come on. What is this? I'm going to be walking around on my vacation. I'm going to Mont Tremblant with Monique. I'm going to be walking around with this, and people are going to be like, what is that? What's happening here? Yeah. Yeah.